Ever been told you need to invest money to make money in affiliate marketing? This single myth has cost aspiring marketers millions in wasted course fees and advertising budgets. It's completely false, as I'll prove today. In this myth-busting video, I'm counting down the 10 most damaging affiliate misconceptions that are directly preventing your success. You'll discover how my free MAP B2B system lets you start earning commissions without spending a dime on ads, websites, or expensive tools. I'll show you exactly how to generate real affiliate income with zero upfront investment, just like thousands of my students have already done. The money myths that keep you broke. Let me ask you something. Have you been told you need thousands for ads, fancy websites, and premium tools to succeed as an affiliate? I bet you have. This myth is one of the biggest roadblocks keeping potential marketers stuck in the planning phase instead of the earning phase. Most beginners spend months, sometimes years, saving money they believe is necessary to launch their affiliate business. They delay action, convinced they need professional websites and expensive tools before earning their first dollar. Meanwhile, successful affiliates quietly build profitable businesses with minimal investment. The affiliate marketing industry has created a billion-dollar ecosystem selling solutions to problems that don't exist. Every time you see that $997 Ultimate Affiliate course or $497 Essential Marketing Tool Suite, someone profits from perpetuating this belief, like a store selling you overpriced umbrellas in a desert. This startup cost myth keeps you from starting. The industry thrives when you believe you need thousands before seeing results. Behind the scenes, successful affiliates use free alternatives to generate substantial income right now. Many top affiliate marketers started with zero budget. They focused on strategy and execution rather than spending, understanding that creativity and consistency outperform expensive tools consistently. Consider Brett's experience. After spending over $2,000 on courses and Facebook ads with nothing to show for it, he was nearly ready to quit. Then he discovered Dory O'Neill's free MAP B2B system. Within 8 days, Brett earned his first commission. The difference? He leveraged free resources instead of pouring money into paid advertising. Brett's turnaround isn't unusual. It's a recurring pattern among affiliates who utilize effective free tools and strategies. Here's what expensive course creators hide. Free traffic methods often convert better for beginners than paid advertising. Organic methods build trust first. When you engage with communities, provide value on social media, or create helpful content, you establish credibility before asking for anything. Paid ads can feel cold and transactional to skeptical audiences. MAP B2B leverages this principle perfectly. Our system provides free training and resources, allowing you to generate income while learning. This contrasts sharply with gurus who profit primarily from selling courses rather than demonstrating earning methods. Most experts won't reveal this truth because they can't sell expensive products if you know you can start for free. There's no incentive for them to admit you can build a profitable affiliate business without significant upfront investment. The MAP B2B system includes our How to Enroll Your First MAP Member in 60 Minutes or Less. It's a free course that helps our members earn commissions almost immediately, often within their first hour. While others save to launch their business you could already be earning, MAP B2B offers another advantage, another free course titled Tax Smart Fun, Deductions for Everyday Adventures. In this course, you'll discover legitimate tax benefits you gain as a MAP B2B member. As a free business owner with our system, you qualify for deductions on everyday expenses like travel, meals, and marketing costs. You can even write off the cost of your mobile phone, your internet access, and your personal computer. This alone can put money back into your pocket in the form of a tax refund. This amazing benefit is all yours when you join as a free member with MAP B2B. You earn money while reducing your tax obligations through perfectly legal advantages. The evidence is clear. Needing money to start affiliate marketing is false. Free tools exist for every aspect, from website creation to email marketing, from content distribution to analytics. The real barrier isn't financial, it's knowing where to find these resources and implementing them effectively. The double win system. Turn free into recurring income. Now, finding free tools is just one piece of the puzzle, but what if I told you the most profitable affiliate marketers aren't tech wizards with coding degrees? They're simply people who understand one fundamental principle I call the double win system. Imagine a system where every time you share a free business opportunity, both you and your audience win. This creates genuine value for everyone involved and establishes a foundation for recurring income without manipulation. Many beginners feel paralyzed because they believe technical expertise is required to succeed online. I can't design graphics, they worry. I don't understand marketing funnels. But successful affiliate marketers focus on creating value first, not mastering complex technical skills. Let me give you an inside look at how this works with MAP B2B. John Thornhill and Omar Martin created an automated follow-up system that works like a silent partner, tirelessly handling all the complex marketing and lead nurturing behind the scenes. While this digital assistant manages the intricate details, you focus simply on sharing the free opportunity with others. When you help someone access a legitimate business opportunity at no cost, you create immediate value in their life. They receive training from MAP B2B worth over $749 without spending a penny. The automated system then takes over, doing all the selling and explaining without requiring technical expertise from you. Now onto the fun part, your commission potential. Before we get into that, we're legally required to disclose the following. There is no cost to enroll. If you as a free member create a sale, you will earn a 25% commission. There is, however, no guarantee that you will make a sale. Making a sale depends upon the effort and time you put forth towards marketing the MAP B2B system. It is possible that you join and you don't make any money at all. It's not likely, but it is possible. Now I'll explain the commission plan. Free members earn 25% commission on referral sales. Silver members, $37 monthly, earn 40% commission. Gold members, $67 monthly, earn 50% commission. Platinum members, $97 monthly, earn 75% commission. Note, you are not required to upgrade your membership level. If you do upgrade, you are free to downgrade to a free membership status at any time. Platinum members also benefit from Tier 2 commissions, earning 25% on sales made by people they personally enrolled. This multiplication effect transforms your efforts exponentially. By enrolling just 2 Platinum members, you cover your $97 monthly fee and begin generating profit. If those 2 members each enroll 5 more Platinum members, you earn an additional $60 monthly from your network's growth. With 10 personally enrolled Platinum members, you generate $727 in monthly direct commissions plus additional revenue in Tier 2 commissions. This is recurring monthly income. MAP B2B uses one-link technology that permanently connects members to their referrals. This means you earn commissions on all future purchases made by people you refer, creating long-term income potential without requiring technical maintenance. Additional commission opportunities exist through commission add-ons. For example, if someone you referred as a free member purchases a $2,000 training program featured in a MAP-hosted webinar, you earn a commission based on your membership, ranging from $200 for free members to $500 for Platinum members. With each new referral, you not only earn immediately, but also set off a chain reaction that grows your income passively over time. The automated system works seamlessly in the background while you focus on sharing the free opportunity. Each person who joins through your link creates another potential income stream, and as those people share with others, your income grows through this ripple effect. This is the power of the double win system. Conclusion, let's bring it all together, my friends. We've debunked the myths and revealed the truth. Success in affiliate marketing demands the right system, not deep pockets or technical wizardry. MAP B2B's power lies in teaching you to transform everyday expenses into legitimate tax deductions, potentially saving thousands annually. You'll also receive John Thornhill's How to Market online course and Dory O'Neill's The Eye-Opening Tax Smart Fund Deductions for Everyday Adventures, a complete $749 value package, absolutely free. Now's your chance to break free and take control of your earnings and tax savings. Don't delay, enter your details, and click the button below to join MAP B2B and start building your profitable future today.